Greetings. This is part 5 of the install workflow. By now, the contractor would have completed his job. As soon as the job is completed, he would click on Report Completion button. This would give the confirmation message. Upon clicking on Yes, the contractor is presented with a window, where he uploads the proof of completion, in the form of images and videos of the completed job. He then clicks on Complete Job. As soon as the information is synchronized with the server, the certificate of completion opens. The contractor must let the customer read through the certificate, and get it signed on it as an acceptance. This is followed by the contractor signing on the certificate, and finally submitting it. The entire cycle ends as soon as the certificate is submitted successfully. The job would thus enter the completed bucket, leaving everybody happy. This small video marks the end of the ideal life cycle of an install process. The next video will explain different scenarios where the overage charges will be considered. Till then, goodbye.